Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jackson's Math Notebook. Today, we're going to gain a foundational yet important understanding of exponential notation. And a good way to get an understanding of a concept is to compare it to another concept that sometimes students get confused with. And so what we're going to do, we're going to compare exponential notation with multiplication. And when we look at multiplication, remultiplication is simply repeated addition, while exponential notation is repeated multiplication. And so let's take a look at several examples to see the difference between the two. And so when we see the expression 5 times 3, it actually equals 5 plus 5 plus 5, which equals 15, because again, multiplication is repeated addition. But on the other hand, 5 raised to the third power, or 5 cubed, is the same as saying 5 times 5 times 5, which equals 125. And as you can see, there is a big difference between 15 and 125. And in this case right here, we have 2 times 4. Remember, the raised dot, once you get into sixth grade, will be used as a multiplication symbol. So 2 times 4 is the same as saying 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which equals 8. But 2 raised to the fourth power is the same as saying 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 16. And as you can see, there is a difference between the two. One interesting thing to note is that the lower the base, okay, so this 2 is the base and this is the exponent, but when you have a small base, your exponent is not going to become very large in the early run. That's why there's not much of a difference between 8 and 16, because 2 is a smaller base. Now, so let's go on to 4 times 5, and we know that that just simply equals 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 4 or 5 times, which equals 20. But on the other hand, watch this. 4 raised to the fifth power is 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, which equals 1024. And so again, as it relates to exponential notation, this number is the base, and the exponent just simply tells us how many times to multiply the base. While in multiplication, we're multiplying two factors, and we're just using repeated addition to get the answer. And so in this why there is a big difference between 7 times 4, which equals 28, and 7 raised to the fourth power, which equals 2,401. And so there you have it. There's how we can understand exponential notation versus multiplication. You received a lot of information, so this will be a good time to pause the video and look at the difference between the two concepts, or you may play the video back as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of this concept. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you, and goodbye.